Alright YouTube, here is the newest pistol that I am going to be rendering. So here it is. As you can see, it has a little red dot. This is actually a skin, so obviously the base gun is just going to be black or gray mostly. So here it is. Super cool. Really nice gun. Toss a little nade. Anyways, if you guys would like to check out this game, the link is going to be down below. So yeah, let's hop into the studio. Alright YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and today I am going to be doing something kind of fun, at least I think so. So if you can take a look here, I'm inside Roblox Studio. However, you can't really see anything because I have this pointed towards the floor. But I am going to show you. Here is the new pistol, the Luger. It resembles a Luger that we have just added into Redux. If you don't know what Redux is, it is the FPS game that I am working on. There is already a couple of videos that I have done in the past that documents this game. And also, if you guys would like to play this game and test it out for yourself, the link is going to be down below. So I just want to export this and render this, and we're gonna see how this turns out. Alright, so I have successfully exported this model. I'm gonna hop inside Keyshot now, and we're going to have some fun with this. Alright, so here we are. Here is the Luger right here, so you can see this is what we have. Okay, so let's start with some materials and we can add. I'm not completely experienced with Keyshot yet, so I don't exactly know the nuances to the software, so I am just kind of testing stuff as I go as well. Yeah, I'm just playing around with some stuff. What do we have here? Magnesium. We have metal. See, this looks pretty good. I like that. Okay, metal looks pretty good. I don't like that. That looks weird. I don't like that either. This is pretty cool. This looks I like that. All right, I have that. Should this part be silver or should it be a dark color? Not entirely sure. However, a bit of variation is also a nice thing. It's also a good thing. Could this be white? I don't even know. Yeah, I'm just I guess we'll have to keep testing, keep messing around. I think I like this. It's pretty good. I'm fine with that. The trigger here has to be a... We try this, I guess. I don't mind that. The barrel here. Is that this? No. That looks too glossy. Definitely not that. Definitely not that right there. Let's try this, I guess. Okay, this to me looks fine, I suppose. It doesn't look terrible. I do think it could be better, but it's not the worst thing. We have some settings here. We can also adjust if we choose to. Let's change the environment a little bit, see what other options we have. This actually looks pretty good. This little HDRI. Alright, let's start from, let's go here. Let's try some other ones. Bathroom. Industrial loading bay, clothing store. Interesting. We have a kitchen, we have a road. I don't like that. Office hallway. I like this little view. This is a nice little view right here. Okay, what else do we have? Village lawn, looks terrible. Light enclosed 4K. This looks pretty good. I like this. Make sure light tent, it's bad. This is nice. Light tent screen front 4K. Okay, this is my favorite so far. I like this backdrop a lot. The lighting is really nice here. Let's keep on playing with the interiors here. Let's see what else we can add. This part. Let's change this part to. This looks better, I think. I'm gonna add this right here. Okay, so I'm liking how this looks so far. This looks pretty cool. That looks terrible. I am definitely not doing that. Okay, I do think these should be white. Alright. I do think so. What if the gun was gold? Let's add some gold. Obviously, I'm not really adjusting any of these. So, yeah. what do I think about this? This is actually not bad. Forget about this right here. Let's go into Photoshop. Alright, so here we are inside Photoshop. The first thing I'm going to do is go into filter, camera raw filter, my favorite. Let me increase the texture right here. As you can see, it looks much better already. So what's the clarity, dehaze options, vibrance really does nothing because this entire thing is pretty much black and white. Exposure, we have contrast, increase the contrast a little bit. Highlights, just keep it modest. I don't want like too much polarity, you know, so highlights, let's just keep it like this right here, white. That looks so bad. So all these filters are dependent on how it changes the values in our composition. So I think this looks pretty good. One thing I can do is kind of like something like this. Alright, so something like this. I'm gonna hit OK. And as you can see, this is what we have. If you ask me, I think this looks pretty good. We could also add a blur for the background because it does look a little bit weird, so let's blur the background out.